Alright guys, it's Wes back from West Almeida Restorations, and I just got back from the Sneakercon sneaker collab at Mohegan Sun, and there was a whole lot of shoes there, but there was a lot of them going for way too much, and we didn't stay there long enough to try to do a lot of the haggling at the end of the show, but I did pick up a decent deal. It was fun. I had a good time. It was just a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, and there wasn't as many, for one, there wasn't as many vendors there as I thought it was going to be, and there wasn't as many deals going on. A lot of people had a lot of kid stuff. I wear 11 and a half, 12, and there was some stuff there, but everybody was overpriced on so many things and weren't trying to give any kind of real good trade deals. I was even offered $100 less than what they're going for on StockX. Even though they were used, I was even going down $100 less than a real value price. Definitely going, just wanting them to counter something, and they wouldn't even give me any counters. They were like, yeah, that's way off from what I'm gonna go. So, but all in all, it was a good time. It was a good time for my first convention, which got me and my buddy thinking. Shout out to Scott Dumont. He does a lot of restoring as well, and we went down there together, but we figured because we walked around and seen what we could see there, and we have quite the collection that if this comes around again, we may buy a booth ourselves or rent a booth ourselves. These people were just overpricing their shoes, but it was a good time. I did make a decent deal out of it, so just thought I'd let you know. Maybe they'll come with one, maybe in Hartford, maybe we'll get a better turnout, but because it was down in Mohegan, maybe it didn't get as good of a turnout because people didn't want to drive, so maybe that's part of it. Anyway, glad to see that you guys are coming back to see that I'm going to start getting back into the business more, but I just been a little distracted with a couple things going on lately. But like I said, I had a good deal, so wait till you see what I came out with. I ended up giving up 2 DS pair of shoes for a pair of UNC 3s, which I came out on a better end. These need a little bit of work, nothing I can't handle, but the 2 that I gave up were DS, but they were going down in value anyway, so no loss on my end. But I'm going to show you what these look like. Not bad at all. Definitely in my wheelhouse of what I can do. So I cannot wait to show you a better close-up view on what they look like. I'll get you pictures from start to finish, and we'll get back to you pretty soon. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you get those likes out there for the algorithm. Support the West Almeida Restorations. Thank you very much. Peace.